Today, we're taking a closer look at this incredible 20-pack seed starter tray kit, a must-have for anyone looking to kickstart their gardening journey. This kit includes 20 seed starter trays, each with 12 cells, giving you a total of 240 cells to work with. Along with the trays, you get 20 watertight base trays, 20 humidity domes, 20 white plant labels, and 2 mini plant tools. This comprehensive set ensures you have everything you need for successful seed starting and allows you to share with friends or family who are also into gardening. The trays themselves are made from high-quality plastic that's both reliable and reusable. They're sturdy enough to withstand repeated use and won't easily break or fade over time. Measuring approximately 18.5 by 14.5 by 11 centimeters per tray, with each cell being around 1.5 by 1.5 inches, these trays are perfectly sized for starting small seeds like flowers, vegetables, and fruits. One standout feature is the adjustable vents on the humidity domes, which let you control the humidity levels to create the ideal environment for your seedlings. Additionally, each cell has a drainage hole at the bottom to prevent overwatering and root saturation, which helps keep your seedlings healthy and thriving. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these growing trays are versatile and practical for a range of plants. They can be used on your balcony, patio, garden, or even indoors. With this kit, you're well equipped to begin your planting season with confidence.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.